Today I'm going to show you how to use a couple more features of LinkedIn. One of the features I really like is called SlideShare. And if you go to SlideShare, LinkedIn owns SlideShare. It's one of the drop downs. And you can go ahead and create an account if you don't have one. It's free. I've got one. So here's an example of a slideshow that I did last week. You can upload the slideshow. You can actually take a quick look at the slideshow. This one is Clint Eastwood on leadership, and cool little show that you can take a look at. But what I want to show you is really what to do with it. So I'm going to click on it right here, and that'll bring up. Now what I want to do is share it, and I can share this slideshow on Facebook so I can get it out there. So I'll go ahead and post it to my own timeline right there. And I can go ahead also and share it on LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and share it on LinkedIn. And let's post it to a group. And this is really one of the big advantages of what you can do with SlideShare and with LinkedIn is you can go ahead and post it to a whole bunch of groups. Let's do some small business groups, small business marketing, small business Florida. We got a leadership group in there, small business coffee talks, small business accelerator. So there's just a few. So I'm going to take the title right here from my slideshow, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut and paste it right there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take that text right there, which kind of describes it a little bit. And then with the touch of a button, I've just shared that to 5 or 6 groups. And each one of those groups has 5, 10, 15, 20,000 people in it. So I've just potentially put that group in front of about 100,000 people. Simply by doing that, of course, you can also tweak it, put it on your own LinkedIn page. And so this is a really cool way. And of course, I'll just skip to the end here quickly. The whole purpose of this is to provide some good information, but the whole purpose of it obviously is to get a response at the end. So in this case, what I'm promoting is my book, Cowboy Wisdom. But in other slideshows, I'm promoting a different book. I don't even remember which book this was promoting, but at the end of this book, at the end of this show, I am promoting Legendary Advice. And I've also got slideshows in here for my golf business. This one actually includes some videos. You can actually put videos into your slideshow. So here you can put in multimedia.
Hey, reason number one is pretty simple, and I've been asking Club.
So that's another option. So SlideShare is really kind of a cool way. You can put a lot of information out there, and you can share it, and it's a quick read, quick look. You can go through them, and really a good thing to consider doing for promoting any type of service, any type of book, any type of marketing or company. If you're not using this, I would highly recommend it.